Hey, did you know that arigato means thank you in Japanese? Yeah, it's like a magical word that brings miracles. That's awesome! Let's learn the magic arigato phrase today. Are you ready? Let's begin! 風ありがとう Thank you, wind. 風ありがとう Can you hear the sound of the wind? What a nice breeze! The laundry is swaying in the wind, looking quite content, isn't it? In Japanese, wind is called 風 風 風 can also mean cold, like when you catch a cold. So, how can we tell the difference? You can usually tell from the context whether it's about weather or someone feeling under the weather. I see. Look at this dandelion clock. The fluffy seeds ride the wind and fly away. Thanks to the wind, they can travel really far and make lots of new dandelions. Even when wind carries away cherry blossoms, people still think it's beautiful. Everything is always changing, and that's what makes life beautiful. The wind is like nature's secret helper. Someone is hiding behind the laundry. That's a clever hiding spot, isn't it?
風ありがとう気持ちいい
風ありがとう Thank you, wind. 風ありがとう
ありがとうマジック